What's going on, guys? Josh here, and today I'm going to talk about this supplement, Animal Pak from Universal. I haven't tried it yet, so I'll just have to talk about what's inside this package, and I'll see you in a minute. Cheers. So, I've got an Animal Pak here. It has been a trusted choice for strength athletes and bodybuilders for over 3 decades. It's a complete all in one training supplement that is specifically designed to help you get the most out of your workouts. So, Animal Pack provides the nutritional insurance you need to make it through with your every set and every rep. So, the multivitamin complex here in Animal Pack helps to ensure that your body is getting the essential nutrients it needs to perform at its best. And there's also antioxidant complex which helps to protect your cells from damage, and while the performance complex helps to improve your stamina and endurance. And they also have the protein complex which helps to build repair muscle tissue, and while the digestive enzyme and absorption complex helps your body absorb and utilize all of the nutrients in the supplement. So the Animal Pack is more than just a multivitamin. Obviously, it's a complete nutritional supplement that can help you take your workouts to the next level. And if you're looking for a supplement that can help you build strength, stamina, and muscle mass, then Animal Pack could be the perfect choice for you. So I just got this today, and per serving there are 22 packs, or sorry, so there are 44 packs. Yep, it's 44 packs, and serving size is 2 packs. So basically, if you're going to take 2 packs per day, servings per container, it would last you for 22 days. But I plan to take this stuff 1 pack per day, so that will last me for 44 days. And I don't know what to expect from this. So I just got this day, like I said, and I still haven't opened it yet. So let's open this. Okay. So so it comes with these pills. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So basically there are 11 pills per pack. Alright. And I'll just have to take this 1 pack per day. And if you notice, again, there's a lot of nutritional facts behind, or just at the back of this supplement package. So there's a lot, tons. And I'm very curious what will happen. So I'll be, after 44 days, or maybe after a month, I'll be reviewing this again, how I feel regarding with this supplement, and of course my performance at the gym. I'm going to compare from where I'm at today versus me after 30 days. So I'm expecting a lot. This has a lot of good reviews from YouTube, from other websites, and it looks like this is a complete multivitamins for those who are looking to get the most out of their performance. All right, so that's it for now. I'm looking forward to have a good, performance when it comes to my gym. and overall activities, daily activities. We'll see what would happen, and I'm going to see you after a month. So hopefully that will help you, and have a good day. Take care.